So this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing, unpackaging. So I have a small simple pack for you guys. Let's see what I have inside. Here we go. Let me take this off from here. So a simple, in this case, is a broken sword from Lord of the Ring movie. You can see here. So let me take this off. Good packaging though. Is the broken pendant. You can see from Lord of the Ring. Here I take this off. The sword of the king. Here we go. You can see how it is beautiful. Design very light. I expected a little bit more heavier, but it looks beautiful. Broken sword here, something is written, cryptic. Handle, lovely. Definition is very high quality. When you have some hole here, you can see how it is. And chain came with, although you have to pay something, small quantity of money. Could be $3 to $4, 2 to 3 euros. Very lovely indeed, how it is. Chain is simple one, nothing fancy. Very basic chain in this case. Lock is good here, so nothing fancy, but pendant is beautiful. You can see here how it is. Magnificent. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.